Hello traders, welcome back to AlgoTest. In this video, I'll show you how you can automate any indicator-based strategy in just 1 minute using our Signal AI. So for the sake of this video, we will be automating a strategy which have RSI and moving averages. So let's jump straight to the AlgoTest dashboard and see how you can do it. As you can see on my screen, we are on the AlgoTest dashboard. To automate our indicator-based system, we will just go to the Signals AI. And in the Signals AI, we will directly communicate with our Signal AI agent to create our strategy. So we'll be prompting a Signal AI agent, create an indicator-based strategy on 15-minute time frame using RSI and EMA. Here I have used two indicators, RSI and EMA, but you can use any indicator which you want. We have almost all of the indicators available in our Signals AI. So for now, we will just see the chart preview section to see how the strategy has generated the trades. This is a chart preview section. In the chart preview section, you can see your entry and exit of the trade directly on the charts. Apart from it, now let's move to the next step in the automating of strategy. So we'll just first save this strategy. Once we have saved this strategy, to automate this strategy, we have to go to the Signal dashboard. And in the Signal dashboard, we have to go to the indicator sections. And in the indicator section, we will see an option of save signals. We'll just have to connect a strategy to the signal. For now, we will just sell a call for this strategy. Once the strategy is completed, we will just have to complete the execution setup of the strategy. And once it is done, we can either forward test it, means we can paper trade it, or we can directly trade it in the live market using the Algo Trade button. That's how you can automate any indicator-based strategy under a minute using our Signals AI. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. See you in the next video.